teammates to find him. And so far, that play has worked for Coach Louis and the Cowboys.
Extending this lead to 14 points, 86-72.
Backdoor.
Gumaru, muntik nang mawala sa kanya yung bola. Nahanap si Alan Santos sa corner. Arte La Cruz, rebound, Kawilan. 3 pump fakes, got blocked. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
Oh, John misses it.
Malaking bagay yan para sa kanila. Alex, count it, plus a foul, and that could be the cherry on top for Ilagan Isabela.
That was too easy for Alex Cabagno. The moment he got that wing side of the floor, had a shooter in the corner, he knew what to do. That open post area, drove downhill, little ball fake to try and move that defense of JP Belenchon, and then straight to
This is a nice follow-up win for Ilagan Isabela after that tough loss they had on the road against Batangas City. Nasubukan din yung kanilang katatagan in that close encounter against Basilan. Against Imos, battled back from 11 points down. We have a timeout with a minute and 20 left in regulation. We'll be back after the short break. Versus Imos Cowboys, enjoying their biggest lead at 16 points, and they began to pull away late in the fourth quarter, Coach Mike.
oh, totoo. And really just, trying to collect themselves again, especially yung mid first quarter and the entire second quarter run. That was pretty crucial para dito sa Ilagan Cowboys.
At isang pinuto mo, Coach Mike, sa Adorio, hindi counted yun. Meron foul. Laban pa nga sa kanya yun.
Oh boy, ito si Adorio, you should see him when he plays in Ilagan. Grabe ang popularity nila dun sa Ilagan. Everybody, I think everybody from Ilagan knows who Adorio is. And the first time that I covered him, immediately got himself introduced with a quick three in the corner. And it's been that kind of a personality na for Adorio for the Ilagan Cowboys.
MoneyPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Alam mo, sarap ng spaghetti kapon. Gusto ko lang mabanggit sa'yo, Coach Mike.
Saan yun?
Kapon, nasa pako ka.
Oo nga, saan galing yung spaghetti?
Mamaya, sabihin ko sa'yo.
Okay, sige.
88-74. Spaghetti, lumpia.
Parang may birthday, gano'n?
Oo, parang may birthday nga eh.
Oh, wow.
Coco Bingoy. Putting the nyog on the puto bumbong. Pwede ba yun?
Pwede naman. Why not? Para merong konting crunchiness sa ibabaw.
14 seconds left. Imos sayang, no? Kasi ang ganda nung nagsimula nila dito, Coach Mike.
Yeah.
And yung katanungan natin as Pingoy drains that trifectas. Nung pagpasok ng second half, dahil 51.7% yung kanilang field goal shooting in the first 2 quarters. Number one, kaya ba nilang isustain? At number two, pag naglamig yung kanilang shooting sa labas, paano sila tutugon? And we got our answer right here.
That is right. And, I don't know if this would interest you. There is actually an analytic study that says that teams who shoot very well especially in the first half, have a 55% chance that they will lose the game. And so it's you have to be very consistent, especially if you're shooting the lights out from 3. Just yun yung nakita natin kanina first quarter para dito sa sa Imos. It was really impressive. And to your point, ang malaking tanong is, are you gonna be able to remain consistent and sustain it all throughout the game?
Tinatawag dyan, fool's gold eh.
Yeah. Remember that game when Pangasinan Heatwaves?
Dito yun.
Yeah, Hesed Gabo. Remember that? Yung maganda mga 3-point shooting nila.
Game 2 yun against Nueva
Nueva
Ecija.
Ecija, right?
They shot the lights out in the first half. They had that
By
lead,
Coco Pingoy.
an
And
opportunity
the
to
fourth
close
quarter
out
is just a
the
2-point
Rice
conversion.
Vanguards.
Yes.
But once their shots started missing,
Mhm.
75 for the Yankees.
dun na umarangkada in Nueva Ecija, humabol sila, capitalized on that putrid shooting by the Heat Waves. And it's a bit of a similar case here. You see this one, it's a long two
It's a long two.
from Coco Pingoy.
Oh, yun yata yung nireview nila kanina. And to which after that game, we got sent back to Nueva Ecija for that game 3, game winner by Hesed Gabo.
Uy, by the way, may 2 episodes na ang pinakabagong show sa Sports Plus, ang
Mhm.
Ribanse, hosted by our very own Miss Mika Abesamis, Coach Christian Luanzon, and Joe Gomez de Leaño.
The OGs paired with Joe, no?
Oo.
Diba?
Episode 1,
Hesed Gabo and
Kyle
Kyle
Tolentino.
Tolentino. And then episode 2, they had
Batang
Kimani
Kakalo,
Ladu. Yeah, Batang Kakalo. Yeah.
Aldrin Adorio knocks down the first free throw.
See there at the background earlier, Sir J. Diaz
Yeah.
of the Legan Cowboys.
Mismo. Siya yan.
Yan mismo, yan.
Imo still fouling with 3.4 seconds left.
This will be more trips to the line. For Alan Santos, who started really the game with yung mind games kanina. Was that the first quarter, no? Early first quarter yun eh. Nung pumasok siya, and then got into that thing with the Soriano.
And looking forward, di ba, Coach Mike, para dito sa Ilagan Isabela, back-to-back wins.
Yeah.
And they wanna improve on that 8th place finish last season in the North,
Right.
where 3 of those that were ahead of them took a leave of absence, so that race is wide open for them to have a better showing.
On a minus 18 plus minus.